Hi everyone, welcome to our daily show, Hot Stocks, the show that will go into the biggest names that I have on the watch list. One of the names, AMD, this week gave a nice upside, going right into the resistance area. So $87, $88 is a big wall. We need for the bull case above 88 to try to go all the way into $90 area. I keep seeing bullish options activity into next year, so stay open-minded for possible upside here going into the next year. Pullback scenario, we have 84.6, 83 and 81 as possible key levels and support. When I'll become bearish, if the price goes below $80, I'll be looking for a pullback all the way into the 76 and with the next big wall at $73, $74. So keeping open mind, but right now bull case scenario here, trying to break higher. By the way, one of the names that I've been mentioning, last week I caught this candle here, played the scalp for downside, locked very nice profits. I closed the position. I trade for a living, I trade for cash flow, but I said that I was looking for possible further pullback. And what we had next day, gap down and faded. And we had from this point, they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I always tell you, on day 4 or 5 you start trimming your profits, you start covering your position because the move can reverse. We had the reverse, and on the last session, bullish reversal candle right from 132, they tried to break 132, were not able to break above, so staying above 129, that was the breakout point, and holding my moving average around 133. So what's next? For the bull case, we need above last session highs 136.2, but the bull case needs above 138. Why 138? That will put pressure for the shorts to start covering the position. We have all the moving average around 137, 138. If it goes above, in my opinion, it can go and fill the gap at 142. So keep it on your watch for a possible gap filling. DraftKings show, I played twice this week on DraftKings, was seeing some bullish options activity, also a possible resume back up in the next couple of sessions, and it worked very well. On the last session it was one of the biggest trades that I got, with calls playing for upside, worked very well, bouncing from the 8-day moving average and making higher highs. So trying to break, what's next? Needs above 51, I believe that this stock can go all the way into 55 plus dollars area to fill the gap that we have higher. So keep it open mind. Staying bullish versus $47. Okay, that's my key support, $47. Another one that I had to the watch list is Frog. Why? First, saw bullish options activity. Second, last session, big upside, big bounce with the stock up more than 11%. Making here a kind of a double bottom, looking for a possible resume up back into the $70 area. So we break down on the last couple of sessions, we break down below $70. So we can have a retest here on $70, $70, $71 area. So keep it on your watch for a possible retest, pull back, and from there we see if it's able to regain $80 possible target. So keep it on your watch, Frog, going forward. Another name, Fastly that I've been mentioning also, held perfectly on the last session from the key moving average, tried to break, and I've been telling that my bear case needs below 78, it holds 79 for now, and keeping the bull case pretty much intact, gone below, pushed back above, bull case pretty much intact, needs above 85.5, and I believe should go back into $95, big wallet and big gap to fill at 121. So keeping open-minded above 85.5, longs in my opinion all the way into $90 plus. So keep it on your watch going into next week. IPOB, another one that I've been mentioning, it bounced perfectly and the range is getting tight. I believe after last session move, what we should be looking above 20.8, watch out. This is a fast mover, as we saw on the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We can go back and try to go all the way to $24, $25 as possible target. So if it breaks above 20.8, I believe it can move very fast, $2, $3 very fast. So keep it on your watch going into next couple of sessions. Kirk, another name that I mentioned on the last couple of sessions, breakout. They're riding the momentum. If you are long, you know that I don't like to chase these kind of movers, but on July it also break out and gone all the way from $2 all the way into $13. So this is a fast mover. Lots of bullish options activity also on the name, so this can resume back up. But if you are long, keep riding your position, trimming profits on the way, and raise your stops. Eventually we will have a reversal back to the 8-day moving average. The 8-day moving average around 35, so be careful here chasing the move. Okay, in my opinion, it's time to trim profits on the way up. That's why I'm taking the stock out of the watch list. Lemonade, I played this week on this bounce here, closed on this candle. If you got long, you could have trim profits on the last session, and it was a very beautiful 2 days move and stopped right where it should, right at the resistance area. So on the last time we hit 72.5 and pull back. This time we got a little bit higher, 73, and pull back. So now what? Now the price was rejected here. If we pull back, we can go all the way into the 65, 61, $60 area. I keep the bull case scenario, okay? I keep the bull case scenario while we are above $60, okay? And looking for the range to get tight and eventually go back above $73.15 and breaking higher going into $80 area. So keep it on your watch. If it pullbacks, we have 63, 61, $60. Those can be nice buy supports here for a possible breakout attempt going forward. If it breaks below $60, in my opinion, it's a short with two hands because the momentum will be lost and this can roll over once again. So keep it on your watch. Lift, another one that I had to the watch list. Why? Last session, bullish reversal candle here right from the 8-day moving average. Looking for a possible break higher above $40. Watch out, this stock can go above 41 and going into the $44 area. So keep it on your watch. Versus 37, okay, 37.7 will be my last support. If it breaks below, can have a bigger pullback all the way into 35, but right now looking for bull case scenario going next couple of sessions. Another name that I had and gave you on the last couple of videos, PAIX, looking for a break higher next couple of sessions, holding above 8 and 21 50-day moving average, basically all the key moving average. So staying bullish while we are above 6.3, okay, 6.3, and looking for a possible break higher. Breaks above 7.5, watch out, this can go all the way into $8-9, so keep it on your watch. If it breaks below 6.3, can pull back into the $5.30, 5.4 as possible key support, so keep it on your watch. Rev, another one that is working very well, regaining the momentum, up almost 12% on the last session. I got long here on shares here. They for me day one, although the move already started last week, and very nice profits on the last couple on the last session. Looking for a possible resume back into the $14 area, so keep it on your watch. Trim profits on the way, that's what I'll be doing. Taking profits on the way. If these skyrocket up, I'll be closing my positions for a very nice profit, so congratulations to all the traders. Twitter gave me amazing profits on the last session on the bounce from the 8-day moving average, looking for a break higher. The range the range was getting tight, and it break out on the last session. Now what? We are entering the gap. If it goes above 47, we can go all the way into the $48. That's a big wall. We can have a retest there, but the gap only fills above $50 area, so keep open minded. If it goes above 48, can fill the gap, but I'm expecting a possible, if it goes above 47, possible fading around $48, $49 for a pullback going forward. So congratulations on the trade, trim profits on the way up. Zoom trying to regain once again the momentum, something very similar here to what we saw on Twitter. If it goes above 449 on the last couple on next sessions, we have 482 gap to get filled. So keep it on your watch. Going forward, this can be a nice mover. So those are the biggest names that I have on the watch list. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all great trading and stay safe. Bye bye everyone.